everyone, this is Dr. Sarala. Welcome to Millet Magic. There have been a lot of requests for millet recipes of snacks and dishes kids will enjoy. So today's recipe is exactly that. And come on, whom are we kidding? We adults too secretly enjoy what we make for the kids. Today's tasty treat is inspired by an Italian dish, Aranchini. It is simple, easy, and can be made using leftover millet rice. Here are the ingredients you will require. 1 big cup of leftover millet rice. Here I am using little millet rice. You could use any other millet as well. 1 small cup of finely chopped capsicum. You can also use finely cut carrots, beans, peas, mushroom or any other vegetable you like. Around half a cup of millet flakes. Coarsely pound the millet flakes for a few times while ensuring that they do not turn into a fine powder. Around 7 to 8 pods of garlic finely chopped. 2 teaspoons of Italian mixed herbs. 2 tablespoons of millet flour mixed with a little water to make a slurry, salt to taste, and oil for frying. Here I am using safflower oil which has been extracted by bull-driven ghanis. Safflower oil is ideal for deep frying since it has a high smoking point and can be heated to high temperatures. It is also rich in unsaturated fatty acids, which is the good kind of fat. It has a very mild odor and taste and is thus very neutral for cooking. To make the Aranchini rice balls, heat a few teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add in the finely chopped garlic and saute for a minute. Then add in the finely chopped vegetables and saute till they are cooked. It is essential that the vegetables are finely chopped so that they incorporate well into the rice balls. It also ensures that they cook quickly. Next to go in are the Italian mixed herbs. If you have fresh herbs, even better. Add salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Next, add in 1 cup of cooked millet rice and mix thoroughly. Add about 1/4 cup of water and allow all the ingredients to cook well together for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the rice becomes a little mushy. You can also add red chili flakes to spice things up a bit. Now transfer everything into a plate and allow it to cool down a little, but not completely. While the mixture is still warm, dip your hand into a little bit of cold water. Take a portion of the mixture and shape it into a medium-sized ball. Now dip the ball into the slurry prepared by mixing millet flour with a little water and then roll it over the millet flakes. Ensure that it is covered on all sides. If you do not have millet flakes available with you, you could replace it with oats. Oats come under the category of neutral grains and are much better than using breadcrumbs, which are sure to be made of maida and also contain dalda. Repeat the same process with the other millet rice balls and keep all of them ready. Heat oil in an iron kadai for frying. Once the oil is heated well, gently drop in the rice balls one by one. Do not be alarmed if your bull-driven ghani oils are foaming when you are using them for deep frying. Refined oils have anti-foaming agents, which are dangerous chemicals added in them to prevent this foaming. If your oils are foaming too much, a trick which will help you is to add a small piece of tamarind. Gently turn the balls so that they are evenly fried on all the sides. Use a medium to high flame for frying the rice balls and ensure that the outer crust is nice and crisp. Since arancini is an Italian dish, it tastes best when served with Italian red sauce. You can find the recipe on how to make Italian red sauce at home in one of our other videos, Batlu kadbu, which is linked in the I button, which has popped up on your screen right now and also in the description box below. Do watch it and make the sauce yourself, since homemade is always the best. So now you'll never have to worry if there's leftover millet rice. Quickly turn it into this wonderful snack. We'll be back next week with a quick millet breakfast recipe, millet poha. Until then, happy cooking!